So here's another update regarding some of the new refined enemy logic. We have some zombie action as well as some ranged combat. The ranged robot dog also is a different layer of enemy. So while the zombies and robot are both enemies, the dog will attack the zombies as well as the player. The dog also has some evasive maneuvers. It will sidestep to avoid being hit. We also have a new area that's still in development. This area will be a simple intro area for the main male character's storyline. Some of these buildings will be enterable, as well as there will be some NPCs here to interact with. Some of which will join the player as an ally. That's all for this devlog.